Want to thank the bus driver in Fortnite but not sure how? I've got you covered. Let's jump in. As soon as you're on the battle bus and ready to drop, it's time to show some appreciation. All you have to do is press the correct button. On PC, you press the B button on your keyboard. And then, if you notice on the lower left, you will see the confirmation that your characters thanked the bus driver. If you're on other platforms like PlayStation, Xbox, or on Switch, you simply have to press the down on the D-pad. Thanking the bus driver doesn't give any in-game advantage, but it's a fun way to add a little respect before the chaos starts. Now you know how to thank the bus driver like a pro. So drop in, rack up those eliminations, thank the bus driver, and stay ahead. See you in the next one.